So to make the Elizabeth stitch, we start by making a slip knot, and you can do this in whichever way you prefer. Once you have your slip knot, we need to work our foundation chain in multiples of 2. So chaining is just yarning over and pulling up a loop. That's a chain. So go ahead and pause the video and make your foundation chain in multiples of 2, and I will be right back with my foundation chain. Once you have your foundation chain in multiples of 2, go ahead and add 4 more chains to your foundation chain. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. To start with row 1, we need to start working in that 4th chain from the hook. So skip the first 3, 1, 2, 3, and work in that 4th one. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Now again, yarn over. Insert your hook in that same space and pull up a loop. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And then to secure, just chain 1. So that was your first Elizabeth stitch. Now skip the next chain and work the same in the next one. So insert your hook after skipping this next one, insert your hook in that next chain, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert in that same space and pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook. Now when you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all those 4 loops. And to secure, chain 1. Now again, skip the next chain and repeat in that next chain after that. So just insert your hook first, yarn over and pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook. Now we need 4 loops. So again, you will yarn over and insert in that same space, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. So once you have 4 loops on your hook, you will yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And then to secure, chain 1. So repeat that all across your foundation chain, that is skipping 1 stitch or 1 chain and repeating this Elizabeth stitch in the next one, and meet me back when you are at the end. So here I am at the end of my foundation chain with 2 chains left. So you will do your last mini bean or Elizabeth stitch in that last chain of your foundation chain. So just insert your hook and pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and again insert in that same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. This can be a little bit tricky, but you just have to make sure you get all those 4 loops. Then chain 1 to secure, and that's the end of row 1. Now for row 2, chain 2 and turn your work. Now for row 2, you need to work in this space right here. When you stretch these stitches, you will see these 2 V stitches here, right here. So you need to work in that stitch, not in this stitch below, just right here, this stitch. So after you have chained 2 and turned your work, again insert your hook in that stitch right here, this one, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook again in that same space, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook. Now again, yarn over and pull through all of those 4 loops and chain 1 to secure. Now again, you will work in this space here. I hope you can see the space here, this stitch. So just insert your hook, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and insert your hook again, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook. When you have 4 loops, just yarn over and pull through all those 4 loops and then chain 1 to secure. So repeat this all across row 2 and I will meet you back at the end. When you reach the end of row 2, you need to work your last mini bean stitch in that turning chain. So insert your hook in that turning chain and pull up a loop. Again, yarn over and insert in that same space, turning chain, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all of them, and then chain 1. Now again, chain 2 and turn your work and repeat row 2 as many times as you need to get the desired length of your project. So I'll go ahead and make a couple of rows to show you how the stitch really looks like, and I'll be right back. So here I'm back with a couple of rows of the mini bean of Elizabeth stitch, and this is how it looks. It kind of has a zigzag or a crisscross pattern to it. It's beautiful for scarves and hats, and it's a really easy and quick pattern once you get the hang of it. So that's it for this video tutorial. If you have any questions, do leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, do hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.